What if your dog could live longer, not just in years, but in healthy, joyful, tail wagging years? We may be standing at the edge of a new era in veterinary medicine, and it's not science fiction anymore. Today, we are diving into the incredible story of a company developing a real life longevity drug for dogs. If you're like me, you have probably looked into your dog's eyes and wished they could stick around forever. Dogs are family, but sadly, they age way faster than we do. A Great Dane, for instance, might live just 7 to 10 years, barely a decade of love and loyalty. But what if we could change that? A biotech company called Loyal thinks we can, and they are not just talking the talk. They are working with the US FDA to bring a longevity drug for dogs to market, and it could be available as early as 2025. Yep, you heard that right. Big dogs tend to die younger than small dogs. That's partly due to a hormone called IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor. Think of it as a growth accelerator. Bigger dogs have more of it, but higher levels of IGF-1 are also linked to faster aging and shorter lifespans. Loyal scientists believe that by targeting IGF-1 and other metabolic factors, they can slow down the biological clock of your furry friend. They have developed three main drug candidates. First up, LOY-002. This is a daily flavored tablet for older dogs, aged 10 and up, weighing at least 14 pounds. It's designed to improve their metabolic health and possibly extend both life and quality of life. It's currently in clinical trials involving 1,300 senior dogs across 70 vet clinics in the US, and the early data looks promising. The FDA has already accepted the drug's application for conditional approval, meaning it could be available by early next year. Then there's LOY-001, a shot that's given by a vet every 3 to 6 months. It's made for large breeds like Labradors, Rottweilers, and Saint Bernards, dogs that often have tragically short lifespans despite their gentle natures. LOY-001 works by reducing IGF-1 levels to slow down their aging process. And for those who prefer pills over shots, LOY-003 is a daily oral version of that same treatment. Now, you might be wondering, can this really work? Well, the science is still evolving, but the fact that the FDA is actively reviewing these drugs and that Loyal has received approval for its reasonable expectation of effectiveness is a massive step forward. This is the first time the FDA has formally accepted a drug application for the purpose of extending lifespan in pets. Let that sink in. This isn't just about adding time, it's about adding good time. More walks, more cuddles, more birthdays, and maybe fewer heartbreaking goodbyes that come too soon. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. The research going into these dogs' longevity drugs might one day help humans too. Dogs share our environment, our food habits, and in many cases our diseases. They're like living mirrors of our biology, but with fast-forward aging. So as scientists learn to slow aging in dogs, it could open doors to human anti-aging breakthroughs down the road. Imagine a world where a dog doesn't just grow old, but grows old gracefully, where a loyal companion gets to enjoy not just a longer life, but a better one. That world might be closer than you think. So, what do you think? Would you give your dog a longevity pill if it was proven safe and effective? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to follow the science of pet longevity, subscribe and hit that bell. We have got more stories coming your way. Until then, hug your dog a little tighter today, because tomorrow might just be a whole lot longer.